This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by verifying software and connections. You need to update the console in-game first. Updates often fix rendering bugs. Next, check the HDMI cable and TV input. Swap ports or a known good cable to rule that out. Once done, perform a full power cycle. Hold the Xbox button for 10 seconds, unplug the power for 60 seconds, then reconnect. You do this to clear temporary GPU/RAM states and force the system to reinitialize display negotiation with the TV. Now dive into settings. You should set the console to the TV's native resolution, choose 1080p or 4K, and confirm refresh rate matches the panel. If colors look washed or clipped, disable Auto HDR or toggle HDR output. HDR mismatches cause washed blacks and highlight artifacts. For stuttering or frame drops, enable performance mode in the game settings, or switch between performance and quality modes to see which gives stable visuals. Also, toggle variable refresh features. Finish with deeper troubleshooting. You can reinstall a problematic game or clear the console cache to remove corrupt textures and shaders. This often resolves odd artifacts. If problems persist, use the Xbox reset options. Try the Keep Games reset first and only factory reset if necessary. You preserve downloads when possible. Finally, test the console on another TV or monitor to isolate hardware versus display issues, and if still unresolved, contact support with error codes and a brief log of steps you completed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.